Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how you can add the color distortion video effect to your video. But you see, so it's super simple. You are just going to select your videos or photos you like to edit and just going to effect, and on training you can find color distortion. This is new effect from CapCut PC, and this is for effect. You have to join profiles to be able to use this. So after you done like and just add to the effect, you can adjust for duration, same with the duration of the effect. You can click on effect and adjust for the option right here for atmosphere, blur, color, and glow, line, and etc. So you can see for the final result like this. That's it. Change for the color. Super simple, and this is cool to pack, I think. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.